People who've been to prison, what's the most wholesome thing you saw? I worked as a prison guard. I was on the night shift and was asked to go over to one of our few black inmates and calm him down. I knew he had a really rough childhood and everyone there treated him horribly, so I wasn't expecting it to be easy. He was furious because someone broke his radio, because he thought they hated his music. I asked him what he listens to and pretended that I liked it too. When I told him that, his jaw dropped. He started smiling and couldn't believe I liked the same music he did. I went into his cell and noticed a coloring book he was working on. He showed me it and I saw an owl. I told him I liked owls and said I'd make him a deal. Tell you what, if you color that for me, I'll bring you one of the radios from our office and make sure nobody breaks it this time. The next day I came back and he was excited to show me. The owl was perfectly colored and insisted I take it. I brought him one of our spare radios and he literally started crying of happiness. He said, "All my life my folks told me not to trust white people, but you did what you said you would." After a year, I was able to get him out a month early for good behavior. We said goodbye and I still have that owl hanging on my fridge.